Hello friends, welcome to my new data structures and algorithm in Java tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial I will be discussing how to represent a singly linked list in Java. So friends, what is singly linked list? A singly linked list is a data structure used for storing collection of nodes and also has following properties. First, it contains sequence of nodes. So friends, below you can see a singly linked list. It has 5 nodes. And these 5 nodes are in sequence because all the nodes are forming a chain. Here you can see the first node is pointing to the next node whose data is 8, and 8 is pointing to the node having data as 1. 1 is pointing to the node having data as 11. 11 is pointing to a node having data as 15, and finally as 15 is the last node, it is pointing to null. So basically a list node has a data and a reference to the next node in the list. Here you can see a list node which has two properties. One is the data part and one is the reference to the next node in the list. So usually in the singly linked list, the first node is the head node, and this head node is responsible to hold this complete singly linked list, and the last node has data and points to null. So in singly linked list, whenever we reach to the last node, we only have the data but no next pointer, because the next pointer points to null, which indicates the singly linked list has ended. So friend, this is all about singly linked list. Now here we will see the implementation of the list node in a singly linked list. So friends, the snippet 1 we can see the list node is holding the data which is generic type, and the snippet 2 below you can see that it is holding a data of integer type. So if you see the graphical representation of it, it looks something like this. The list node is having a data and a pointer to the next node in the list. Friends, in upcoming tutorial we will be creating list node with the integer type data. You can also provide any generic type of data which you want. Moving ahead. So here you can see that how we actually represent a singly linked list. Inside singly linked list, first we have this node which has a data and a pointer to the next node in the list. And this chain goes on to the last node because last node points to null. In order to hold this complete list, we usually create a list node by name head, and head is the first node which actually holds complete linked list. So friend, let's go to Eclipse and see the implementation of singly linked list and also the list node.